And I say bananas, you say peppers. And I'm not gonna lie, I am literally in the middle of filming a Graveyard Girl video right now. And I started literally getting anxiety from the product that I was testing, which embarrassingly enough is a water bottle. And that video is coming out. I had intended to get that video up today, but I don't know. I'm gonna try something different. Just a water bottle, teeth. This year has not been a good year for my anxiety. I'm gonna be completely honest. I started off this year like in a totally different positive mindset and just really more calm than I've been in years. And you know, for obvious reasons, I feel like this year is just kind of probably a very challenging year for everybody's mental health. Anyway, that's not cheerful at all. So I thought, just to like calm myself down before I try and like wash all my makeup off and go to sleep, thought we would do an unboxing. And I am really, really excited for today's I'm doing some sort of like Vanna White presentation right now. I am very excited for today's unboxing. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. These are all blind boxes that I have never tested before. Tested? You can't test a blind box. Guys, some things I'm probably going to say very silly today, but they're from brands that I have never opened or collected before. You know, like we've done like Kid Robot, we've done Sunny Angel, we've done a lot of those brands, and we've done different series of each of those brands. But I ordered this from a website I'd never ordered from before. It's called My Plastic Heart. And for instance, like these are from a brand called Pop Mart, and I think these come from a brand called How to Work. And I don't know, it's gonna be very, very exciting. I get ads for My Plastic Heart all the time. And so I thought, hey, let's jump in, let's buy some blind boxes from them, see if we like these. Maybe we'll discover some new characters we like, some new manufacturers we like. So I ordered more from this website than what you guys are just seeing today. I actually ordered a whole box of fish. They are like fish men, like I think they have man bodies and fish heads. And I ordered a whole case of those, and I'm gonna unbox those with Dogman. And then I have these that we're gonna open today. And then I have these 6 blind boxes that we are gonna save for Vlogoween here on this channel. Probably this channel. I normally do unboxings like this now only on this channel. But these are a super cute character called Satyr. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. Satyr, how do you say that? Satyr Rory. But this is all a Halloween series, so we're gonna save those for the future. But I will go ahead and start off by unboxing one of these Satyr Rory figures today. Let's go ahead and get our camera down here. This is, because I thought if I showed you guys these, you'd probably at least want to see what the character looks like. And this does seem to sort of be like a whole franchise of its own, much like Sunny Angel. There are all sorts of these Satyr Rory series. This one that I have down here, it is a sweets series, so you know, pastries, cakes. The one that I am really, really hoping we're gonna get today is, oh my god, is that the secret one? I swear there was one that had like jelly beans inside of it. It's like clear with like jelly beans inside of it that move around, but I don't see that on the package, so that must be the secret. So that's got to be like really hard to get. I've seen a bunch of these that are super cute, like the different series. Like there's an Alice in Wonderland one, I think. There's a Halloween one. There's all kinds of cute ones. There's like a little thumb. Maybe I should actually, ooh. Does that make the ripping process? Wow, so much easier. Yes, it does. Okay. Ooh, and the packaging honestly looks, I think, identical to either Sunny Angel or Smisky. There's another brand where the packaging is like white and silver with text on it. Who did we get? Ooh, what is this? It's like a cat taffy. So it has a tail. And that is very cute. Okay, let me find this one on the box. So this just literally says candy. There is no reasoning behind why it has a tail, but it does have this little stand in there as well. So you can sit the figure on there. Ah! Oh! Okay. And that one is gone. So yeah, it just says candy on the little card. That was very, very cute until I just dropped it on the ground there. Okay, up next, since we just did a food themed one, this looked so crazy to me. And Ice Kieran, SFBI Minis, and this is called Mystery Cup, extra rich and creamy. And it looks so, so cute. So this actually just pops open, and then you have the little blind bag inside. So these look like ice cream dogs, if that makes any sense at all. You guys will see very shortly. Ooh, it looks like we got one of the clear, I don't know why I call these like jelly style. Whoa, that looks so cool, but I almost feel like you can not clearly make out the dog face as much. I don't know, like probably not on camera, but in person I can definitely see. It's one of those dogs that almost looks like it has a mustache. I'll insert another picture of what the other ones look like the other variants, because it's not printed on the side of the carton and it doesn't come with like a little fold out card or anything, but that is so neat. You can actually really see through the cone part. I don't know how well you can see those kinds of things on video, but in real life, like it looks super like clear and see-through. That's so cool. I really like that one. So I put him back in his little ice cream cup. Okay, up next is a character that I really think that I'm gonna start collecting. I had never seen this before. It's called Fluffy House. And I guess the main character in this series is this cute little cloud. And then he has like sidekicks that is like bears and raindrops and sunshine. But we have a couple of different series. So this is called Mr. White Cloud Mini Series 1. And then this is Fluffy Cafe Miss Rainbow series. So let's open the cafe one first. So hopefully you guys could see all of the variants on there. Like every single option you can get here is super cute. I do have to admit, I hope we get one of the cloud characters. They're all really cute, but I bought it because the cloud is adorable. So let's see. Oh, I'm trying to not see the card because I feel like, you know, this is the same Pop Mart brand, so I feel like it's going to be like the first one we just unboxed, and the card is going to tell you what you got. Ooh, what did we, oh my god, okay, so this is, oh my god, it's so cute! Okay, that's actually perfect for me. Pancake Rabbit. It says Pancake Rabbit right on the bottom, but oh my god, you guys, these figures just have like a luxurious feel to them. I don't know if that sounds corny or not, but there's so many different textures to it. Like the butter feels different than the rest of the figurine, and then like the texture of the melted butter, just like the texture and the color, it genuinely looks like melted butter. That is amazing. So yes, the card definitely tells you which figure you got. I think that's going to be the same for each of the blind bags from the Pop Mart brand. So I feel like if you want it to be a secret, you have to avoid looking at the card. Okay, I only got one other Fluffy Cafe blind box. I just kind of wanted to get like a, you know, like one or two of each of these figures just to see how I felt about them, since, you know, it's not a brand or anything, like I said in the beginning, that I am familiar with. Ooh, okay, so this one definitely does not feel like a repeat. Let's see who we're gonna get. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, he's so cute. Okay, we didn't get a cloud, but this is freaking adorable. Okay, so he doesn't have his name, printed on him. But once again, look at this. And this definitely feels like an even different texture again. It's like really like a jelly, like very flexible feel. Oh my gosh. Okay, the other one did not have a base, but this one does, which is great. I have a bunch of these like cute little figurines sitting in the windowsill of our kitchen. So I feel like it's always great when they have an actual stand to them. So there we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, these are like super high quality little collectibles. Let me see what his name is. Oh my God, Sunny. So appropriate. Okay, let's keep up with the fluffy cloud man theme. And let's open these, which I want to call him Fluffy at the Beach. That's not what the series is called. And once again, we do see some of the same characters. We have the bunny again, the sun man again. It looks like a little bear. Is that a cat? No, it's a bear. There's different bears. A duck. I don't know. All kind of cute stuff. So let's open this again. Oh my gosh, there's even these little like hologram seals on there. Fancy. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just saw the base is blue, but I guess that could be for any character. They're all like sky creatures. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna be really small. So let's open it up. Oh, that was a very off-key open it up. Oh my God. Okay, we finally got a cloud. And it's literally the character on the box. That is so cute. Okay, so the base is a little blue cloud. She's called Miss Rainbow. Very, very, very cute. You know what? I think maybe I put the base on backwards. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh. I just noticed I put him on backwards because his name is on the base, but I noticed it for this one. So she says Miss Rainbow on the bottom there. That's like a really easy fix. I'll just do it right now. I was like, I'll do it after the video, but it's so quick and easy. I just fixed it right away. All right. The next fluffy house. Let's see who we're gonna get. I would definitely order more of these. I think that these clouds are my favorite blind bags we've opened in a really long time. Ooh, who did we get? Ah! Oh! Oh my God. Okay, I didn't even show you guys that one, so I must fetch him. Ow! Okay, that was the sound of me smashing my head against the ring light, so wonderful. What was that? Was that my phone? I just said in my Graveyard Girl video, I have got to clean up this filming room. It is just hellacious. He is freaking adorable. Let me see what he's called. Oh my God, he's called Naughty Rabbit. And I can see why, because he's very mischievous looking. So his base is also this cute little blue cloud. Now I regret not buying more of these figures because these are just so, so, so cute. I think I'm going to put him in my little vanity makeup area. He's adorable. Okay, time for something different. And these are the last two boxes that we have to unbox today. So this is another little like rabbit character. I think he's actually called Labubu. He's a monster. I think he's like a monster rabbit. So the series is called The Little Monsters Series 2. And they don't show you any of the variants that you can get on the exterior of the box. But I think I really wanted to try these because once again, they had a couple of the variants where they are like the clear jelly kind of things, but they have like little bits inside of them. Like it almost looks like little beads or something. Which I feel like that's something I've always loved for as long as we've been collecting these blind boxes, is like any of them that have transparent bits to them. I don't know why I love that so much, but I do. Okay, this one doesn't appear to have any card or chart or anything. And I'm trying to see where to open it. Oh, there we go. They always have these little like pull tabs to help you. So this is just a solid silver bag, no logo or anything like that. And oh my gosh. Is he a devil? Is he a vampire? Is he a devil vampire? I don't know. He feels amazing and the texture is awesome. I love how it looks so glittery, but like the glitter is sealed inside of the plastic. So it's not like, you know, I've had figurines in the past where the exterior, like for instance, like I think LOL Surprise Dolls or something, like they have glittery ones, but the glitter is on the outside of the product. So if you touch it, you're just like glitter is gonna rub off on your fingers and everything, which I hate that. This is so adorable. Now I regret not getting more of these. All right, you guys, last box for the day. Now I literally cannot remember if these were all different monsters, like one that looked like a vampire, one that looked like a Frankenstein. I ordered these like I think last month. So as usual, I don't remember what I ordered late at night a month ago. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh, he's so cute. He just looks like kind of a classic old Hollywood kind of guy to me. Wait, does the other one? Okay, they both have the little thing kind of teeth, but he's got a mustache and a bow tie. And I now don't remember. I swear I think some of these did have a jelly or transparent option, but it is pretty cool that we got these two glitter ones. They look so cute. So I cannot wait to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about all of these cute new little characters we've seen today. Y'all have to let me know, are any of these like a new favorite for y'all? Would y'all like for me to see or to get for us to unbox together, like any more of any one particular series? I would love to know. Like, I was not disappointed by any of these today, and now that we've opened these cute little rabbits, like I kind of have a difficult time picking a favorite between the cloud rabbits and the monster rabbits, but I would definitely 10 out of 10 get any of these like fluffy series again and these rabbits. Oh my gosh, I feel like I just discovered a whole new world of vinyl for us to tunnel down and get obsessed with. Anyway, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and helping me de-stress. I feel like just focusing my attention on something like cute and happy and cheerful really helped to calm me down and just like get me in a different place like mentally. But I hope all of you guys out there are just like doing okay right now. I know it's probably hard to do good right now. I don't know, this was just like a nice good way to relax. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, for being my friends and just unboxing these things with me. I had a lot of fun and I'm gonna see you guys again very soon. I have a lot of fun like art and stationery videos coming up, so I hope you guys are really gonna enjoy those. Thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today, and until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love y'all so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!